eat food which is stored in plastic containers, then actually we are ingesting some microplastics which directly goes in our blood. That is a source of many human diseases, and it has been found that a person with microplastic has a 4.5 times more likely to have a heart attack than a normal person, and it has been found that 80% of people are having microplastics in our blood. Okay. The sustainable solutions which are already available, they are so costly that general public cannot afford it. So we have actually come up with a type of material which is self-binding material and which has been obtained from the waste of a biogas plant which use rice straw as a feedstock. So this is a comparatively new phenomenon because these kind of biogas plants are a very recent phenomenon. These kind of material you can see on the right hand is an image of the board made from this material. They are sustainable, biodegradable, they are healthy, they are natural, they are stylish and customizable. So they will replace plastic and they will give a sturdy and a stylish look to the products, and they are cost effective. We can discuss the question and answer session why they are cost effective. Okay. So the market is having a huge great growth rate of around 14.5, and where we have the sum of around 0.5 billion. In this market, our main competitors will be the plastic packaging and the manufacturers of paper-based organic packagings. Now we compare the cost. The plastic packaging is the market leader in cost because they are very durable, they are very cheap. However, paper-based packaging are high, and our product is placed in between the two. Negative impact on health, plastic is having high negative impact. Paper-based packaging, they have no negative impact, and our products are also having lowest impact because paper-based products, they use chemical bulking. We don't use any kind of chemical bulking. In terms of sustainability, the plastic packaging is low. The paper-based packaging is high sustainability, and we are the highest because we are not involved in cutting down tree. We are utilizing the waste of a biogas plant. Our business model will include supplying the product to the companies which manufacture food products. Okay, so it's a B2B model, and the companies can solely differentiate based on the packaging. They could target this market of organic, health conscious consumers, which is ever increasing. We don't have a team, this is just representational. We are going to incubate our business at IIT Open, where the research was carried, and we have conducted a market survey which shows that there is huge potential. We call for an investment of 1 million Great Britain pounds because it's going to be a manufacturing facility, and we also open 2 joint ventures with organizations in the similar kind of business. Thank you.
Thank you. We have now time for some questions.
I'll just ask. So is the packaging material compostable or biodegradable? And if so, for how long does it take to?
Yeah, it's 100% organic, and we have not yet tested for composting. We have not composted it, but it's made out of natural product, which is rice straw. So it's an assumption that it won't create this kind of problem. Yes. Yeah. We have tested it, and grade 110 of ASCI it has qualified.
And what do you plan to use this material in the packaging of what? Which industry are you targeting?
Food packaging industry, maybe like restaurants, Zomato, or Hindustan Unilever Limited, like tea, coffee. If you see the premium packaging, they store tea in wooden box kind of thing. So the cost of wooden box will be more. This one will be cheap. And
require some certification.
yes. So we'll certainly be going for the certifications. Cost wise, if anyone has a question regarding the cost wise, cost certificate.
Is it food grade material as of now, or that's?
Yes, it's food grade material.
I see one of your competitors is priced more or less the same.
Plastic.
One of your competitors
rest the same?
So plastic-based packaging is actually cheaper. Not same, they are even cheaper.
Okay.
But then it's creating human health problems. So basically we are addressing
Yeah.
these two weaknesses. The plastic weakness is human health issue. The paper-based the issue is the weakness, the cost. So we are cost effective and at the same time a healthy option. The reason why we are cost effective is because the biogas plants using rice straw as the feedstock is a new phenomenon. It started with Verbio India Private Limited, a German company which started operations in 2020. So before that, such kind of waste was not available. So perhaps we can get the first mover advantage of utilizing their waste.
So would that also mean that setting up a plant has to be in the vicinity of
Yeah. Yeah.
plant where you can get the raw material?
To reduce the transportation cost. But the good thing is that Tata and Reliance and many others are planning to invest in biogas plants. It's something which has just taken off, and sooner we will see exponential growth in biogas plants.
Do you think that
There are
report?
lot of similar products coming in the market.
Yeah.
In fact, there are products that are using seaweed. There are products where it is edible, the packaging. How do you plan to cater to that segment when competition? How do you plan to address it?
Okay, see, those which are edible, they are totally made up of different material. Okay, their cost is perhaps fairly more than this kind of product. So the good thing is that we don't need to store the rice straw.